Hey, it's Katie Austin here for the Sports Illustrated 2026 shoot in Fort Myers, Florida. Let's do it. It feels amazing to be back and even better to be shooting with my best friend, Kristen.
Welcome to the Kristen and Katie show. We're so excited for you to be here.
And guess what?
What?
Kristen and I's 6th year.
Don't tell them that.
Time flies when you're having fun.
It really does. But the best part is this is our first shoot together. How do you feel just having your best friend on set?
Unbelievable. It hasn't really hit me yet as you're sitting right next to me. No, but truly, thank you to the SI team for allowing this because we're going to become really silly goofy, I feel like, very soon. I'm really excited, and I feel like it's going to be like a comfort level to an extreme, having your best friend shooting with you. And I'm really excited to play manager for Kristen and take every BTS shot of her.
Katie always gets mad because I never have BTS because I forget. But Katie's so good at it. So I'll be good for you, you be good for me.
Where are we going right now? Where are we going?
On the boat to get to a private island to do our first shot.
Private island.
I don't know if it's private, I just make shit up. We are here for our first shoot location on this gorgeous island.
We are on an island off the coast of Fort Myers. It is beautiful here. We're having the best day.
Yes, and when the sun comes out, it's actually really nice out.
It is.
It's a little cold, but it's
But the
perfect.
sun is shining and life is good. They're ready for us. We gotta go.
We gotta go.
We gotta
get
go.
to work. We gotta go.
Bye.
The hair looks so good. Gorgeous.
Amazing. Beautiful.
This shoot feels extra special because I am pregnant. Yay! And it was so fun to tell the team. I also wanted to tell you guys what I'm pregnant. I feel like I've been so weird all morning. Thank God. I'm like 8 and a half. Let me go. Oh my God. You think I'd ever do dry January, but I feel like I've been doing kind of not weird things, but now everything makes sense. So to finally let that out there and tell everyone feels so good. And it's just fun and extra special, not only because I'm shooting with my best friend, but I'm also shooting +1. All right, let's go catch Kristen in the wild. Oh, there she is. I see her already. She's sitting on a log. She looks so natural and effortless. People don't realize sometimes our shoot, what we're doing, the positions aren't as comfortable. So it takes actually a lot of effort to act comfortable. If you know what I mean? She's sitting on a log that has shells and stuff on it, which is probably highly uncomfortable, but she's making it look effortless. Well, she's a pro.
Starting off the day with fishing. We're going to teach the girls how to fish, golf.
You're gonna teach us how to fish.
Yeah, because I've never done it before, so.
I'm pumped for this. We all have very different vibes.
Very different vibes.
We just wanted to be comfy because that's the key on vacation. I'm going with the golfer's wife. I'm giving.
No, you are giving golfers. I don't know what I'm giving over here. I look like I just got off a plane.
Cozy model vibes.
Yeah.
Cozy
Love
vibes.
that.
Okay, thank you.
In between shots for us.
I'm trying to get this a bit. I swear it's kind of cute.
And I'm giving pretty much just gym girl, and it's comfy anywhere, so.
Now we're golfing.
I'm very excited to go golfing. It's been quite some time for me, but my first 9 holes was at Pebble Beach, so this will be a good little refresher for me.
I feel like I suck at golfing. My boyfriend's obsessed though, so we play every week, and I still don't know how to play it. Somehow I still suck. So we're gonna see today if we can kind of at least get a hole in or something.
Yes.
We definitely can.
We got this.
Let's get a birdie. PGA Tour.
So everybody's stuck. Yeah, this is
Coming at you.
There you go.
Okay.
We'll take it.
Oh. Okay.
Contact.
That was so good. No.
Ooh, I like that.
That's great. So we're basically pro golfers now. Wow, it's so cute in here.
Thank you so much.
I need all the sour candy. See, I'm not going for any of the chocolate.
I'm a chocolate girl. Riley's a sour girl.
Baby bite.
Interesting.
All I need right here.
I thought that I wasn't. Wow, this looks so good.
Let's get some ice cream.
That ice cream hit the spot.
That was just what we needed.
So good.
But it is getting a little bit windy, so we're gonna go check out the paddleboarding.
Are you ready?
I kind of suck at it.
No.
We're gonna have
Yeah,
a lot of
someone.
balance. No, you got this.
Yeah.
Core. We're ending off
Strength.
the day strong.
All right, see you tomorrow.
Bye.
You're eating.
It's okay.
Go with this? Are you kidding? Wait, that's actually a great idea. This should be a thing.
Really good. You're standing up already. That's awesome.
You guys look great.
We love you, Four Golf.